Hello, this is a quick one on nzdusd before the year begins. Right here we have the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah. Okay, we opened this setup in the market just closed right around here. So let's look how we came about this trade. Beginning from this picture, this is analysis that I did when this market was around here. This one was I was expecting this market to reverse off this zone here. This is some reaction after the sweep of this liquidity and manipulation. So there is that move now. As you can see, this is now the chart itself. Okay, this is on the weekly. We are on the weekly, remember that. We had a first break of structure that's very conspicuous. We are following the bullish version of the standard trading model. Okay, that drawing is not good. We needed in the model we need a sweep of liquidity. The first break of structure, this high, is where we take our sell to potentially take these lower lows. So there are also sweep of liquidity right here, as you can see. Yeah, with this guy, because this guy was the clearest first break of structure. After all that, something happened behind there. Maybe you can go back to your charts and see what was happening behind there. There was a sweep of liquidity, then manipulation a bit. The clearest first break of structure was this one. So the market was just going through, react off of that guy, and boom, we went down. So the first break of structure was this guy, this high, this guy here. This is where we are supposed to set our sell order and our stop loss right above here for the investors, right? But for us who don't want to spend a lot of time in the markets, we always refine our stop losses by going down on the lower time frames. So moving to the lower time frame, this one now we are on the daily. This is the daily time frame. This is not just okay. This is not very conspicuous. But let's talk about where this market reversed, right? It's now on the daily, and this rectangle here, okay, these are you see where it's reversed. We had some form of sweep of liquidity right here, and then there was the clearest first break of structure that's on the daily with this guy. Then this guy, this is where we have reacted of that. But right here we have a goalkeeper, right? So we say this guy is a defender, that liquidity. Then you have a goalkeeper here, the market reacting all of it, and we roll the market down up there. So reaching here on the daily, this kind of conspicuous, this kind of bigger, right? So we see so we still refine the first break of structures high, because on the weekly, hope you've seen it, sweep of liquidity. Then this guy, you take our sell there. I hope you've seen it. That on the weekly, yes, the high, this guy here was around this place. See with this chart here. See with this. This is where the first break of structures high was on the weekly, but dropping down on the lower time frame, we find that the first break of structures high is around here, because okay, maybe now dropping down on the 4-hour time frame, it will be very clear. So there was a break of structure right around here. So this is where on the daily we set our sell order, and this is exactly what this chart here is just a represent. I've just referred this guy to this place, and you see after the sweep of this guy, see the market manipulated. You swept this guy, he went up and magically reacted over this rectangle right here. You begin how I drew this rectangle. So we reacted of that, and we started moving down, right? So after this, if see for the impulsive ones, for the impulsive traders, right? Just set your sell order and you ride. Stop loss are right above this guy. But for us, the conservative ones, we need to drop down the lower time frame to see what was happening here, right? Dropping down on the 4-hour time frame, what was happening on the 4-hour? So we had a sweep of liquidity right above this guy. Then the market, there's all this around here, all this guy here, this kind of manipulation, all this place, right? So we normally expect, see, after the sweep of liquidity, right? Manipulation is always what? The market always moves in that direction with a bigger momentum. When you see a very big bullish candles in case of a bullish market, right? See the market moves quickly towards that direction. This bigger momentum candle, you see them moving with a bigger momentum, then dropping with a bigger momentum. That shows that the market now is ready to reverse, right? You see liquidity, the manipulation market moves with, wait for these bigger candles, of course, this bigger candles to form. Yeah, just train your eyes and see whatever I say. I made it very clear that always go back test and watch the market, what it does, right? So these something that I've seen for quite many of the times the market does. Shift liquidity, moves with a bigger momentum, then drops in the opposite direction with also a bigger momentum. By that, now you will start preparing for a sell in case of this market. So dropping down on the lower time frame, this zone, seeing how we could have maximized the opportunity here for a sell, we come to see this guy. This is exactly what was happening. We are on the 30-minute time frame, and we see the clearest first break of structure. Okay, that was crazy. Following this sale model, see a sweep of liquidity right here, first break of structure, then this high right here. This is where you take your sell to target this lower lows, right? So this is exactly what was happening. There was a sweep of liquidity down there, and you see this rally here. Is a sign that the market is going to reverse after this. And we see the first break of structure was around here. This high, this you take your sell to potentially target these lower lows right here. It was smashed, and you can see there was a sweep of liquidity, right? This is a sweep of liquidity right here, this guy here. And first leg, we expect after the first break of structure right here, we set another sell around there. So here a sweep of liquidity is here. The clearest first break of structure that we can see was this guy here. So this is where we set our sell order, and a stop loss right above this guy created after the sweep of this liquidity, and we potentially target to smash these lower lows. It was as simple as that. Yeah. You don't complicate anything. Yeah. Here we just keep everything as simple as that. So replicate everything that I just said here, and you'll see what the magic of this model in this market. Yeah. We should back test so much so that you train your eyes to see this thing. Yeah, see the market reaction off of this defender. Now rallying. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I made a video on how to anticipate a sell, and someone was saying, okay, so I think he was right, right? I believe he's a man. Like how to anticipate a sell? We need first a sweep of liquidity right here, right? After sweep of liquidity, you need a fast breakup structure here. For the impulsive traders, you can set your order here, right here, and write the market down. But for the ones, for the conservative ones, for the risk-averse guys, then you drop down on the lower time frame to look for an entry off of this zone. So it's a two. It's a two trades. There are two trades. Impulsive guys, you can just enter here, stop loss right above here, and you write the market. But for the conservatives ones, you drop down on the lower time frame to refine your entry and write down. Yeah. But you see, for the impulsive traders, when you set your order here, and then you must the setup must be high quality, because the market might just reverse off after reacting of this rectangle right here. It might come a bit down, then take these high highs. That's where we are even headed to, because if this market doesn't reverse off of this place, then there is a high chance of this guy being taken. Mark this guy as a liquidity, right? This guy as liquidity. See, this guy was not mitigated. This defender was not mitigated. So the market is likely going to mitigate this guy, this goalkeeper around here, right? Because we sweep this, because after this market reacted of this place, it just wicked on it, but never reached the goalkeeper around here. It should be mitigated before the market goes down. Yeah. So it means that these guys, these defenders became very, very strong, but the strikers were able to weak on them before falling down, before they clear the ball. Yeah, that is it. That's a simple one on nzdusd. And thank you so much for watching to this end. If you have stayed to this end. Yeah, it is almost a new year. You can see right here. Yeah, right here. It is around 9:12. Yeah, 9:12 p.m. Yeah, East African time. Yeah, as you can see, there's a date here. First, right here, and it is 9:12. So we have some few hours, 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours and 43 minutes. We move to the next year. Yeah, we move around here, right here. Yeah. So yeah, we get into the new year with a new energy. Yeah, that is it. So that's exactly what I just said wanted to do today. Go back test whatever I've just said here. Yeah, study very hard so that trading can be very, very simple for you in 2024. And for me also, by doing this, by teaching, I am understanding this model very, very well. That is the philosophy I'm working with, right? I teach you to get it better. That's exactly what I'm doing, right? And you should also not be stingy, right? Don't be stingy for this video. Just like the video so that the video can spread, so that many people can see. Why are you stingy? I'm giving out this information also for free. Yeah? Just like the video, comment so that the video can go viral. Our family increases. That's exactly what caring means with each other. That's what love is. Yeah, I don't have to remind you like most of the time that I don't think. Yeah. If you find interesting, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment anything you wish I should talk about. If you don't even have anything to comment, just type anything. Yeah. Hashtag keep it simple. If you don't have anything to comment, just comment hashtag keep it simple. Then I like your comment and we move. That is it. Thank you so much, and have a happy new year in advance. Happy 2024. Yeah, for you all, the family. Yeah, we are around 120 subscribers right now. So let's move. Let's share the video so that we grow together. Oh, thank you so much, and yeah, my thank you has been many. Oh, take care. Bye.